In this video, we will learn how to open folder in Microsoft Word document. So this is my Word document and here I'm going to open folder. So just click on the file tab and here in home tab, in the recent tab, just drag below and you can see here these are the recent documents. And if you want to check the more documents in your file explorer, just click on the more documents. When you click on the more documents option, here you can see in recent have a two option, documents and folders. Folder which are available in your laptop computer, so is the documents, download, desktop, notes and other folder. So you can check here also. So you can check in folder your file. Suppose I want to check the file in download folder, just click on the download. You can check here the file, and if you want to open any file, just double click on it and you can open it. Same as I just go back and here you can see the your C drive also you can check here. So I just click on my C drive. The in C drive have this the folder. So I just click on it and you can check the all file on this folder also. So okay, so this is a way you can check the folder data, and if you want to open any file quickly within the Microsoft Word, you can it. Just select your folder and select your file. So I just click on the go back and click on the downloads. Just go back, click on the documents. So I just open here one file. I just open this one. Just double click on it and here you see the file is open quickly. So you don't need to go in file explorer and search your file and go to the C drive, then open your click on the folder, then open. You can search here in your OneDrive, sorry, in your Microsoft Word. Okay, and you can quickly open here. So that's it. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.